A tight sac, rising pressure, a struggling heart. Let's simplify it. Pressure around the heart can silently build until the heart can no longer expand properly. In this video, you'll clearly understand how pericarditis develops and why it can quickly become dangerous. This condition primarily affects the sac that surrounds the heart, which is called the pericardium. Pericarditis simply means inflammation of this pericardial sac covering the heart, but inflammation here can create serious consequences. Two main problems may arise from this inflammatory process, that is, pericardial effusion and constrictive pericarditis. Forget about the big names, it's simpler than you think. Let's break it down. Now remember that in inflammation, more blood flows to the site, and the blood vessels become more open and permeable, allowing more fluid to leak from the blood vessels into the pericardial sac where the inflammation is occurring. This leads to an accumulation of fluid in the pericardial sac, and this is called pericardial effusion. Now, imagine the heart trying to pump while being squeezed from the outside. As more fluid accumulates in the pericardial sac, which surrounds the heart, it begins to mount pressure on the heart, making it difficult for it to expand and fill with blood. This is referred to as cardiac tamponade. Also, if the inflammation is prolonged or occurs more often, it may lead to thickening and decreased elasticity or scarring of the pericardial sac. Over time, this stiffness becomes a problem. The two layers of the pericardium also become fused together. This is called constrictive pericarditis. These conditions restrict the heart's ability to expand and fill with blood. And when the heart cannot fill properly, it cannot pump properly. With less filling, the heart pumps less blood, leading to decreased cardiac output and signs and symptoms of heart failure like fatigue, palpitation, dizziness, swelling of certain body parts, and many more. So, in simple terms, pericarditis is inflammation of the sac around the heart that can lead to fluid buildup, dangerous pressure on the heart, or long-term stiffening that restricts normal filling and pumping. And that is pericarditis made simple. If this explanation helped you truly understand the concept in less than 3 minutes, make sure you subscribe, like this video, and share it with a friend who needs it.